Hello everybody, this is Mike with Clock Family Adventures. Today's video is a room tour from Utopia of the Seas. It is a forward-facing ocean view. Room 7500, 7th deck, 500 room. As you can see, the bathroom is a pretty standard bathroom for the Oasis class ship. Corner shower has a nice, it has the footrest down bottom for shaving your legs. Other than that, the bathroom's pretty much the same as a lot of the other ones. You have a thermostat on the wall. Here you have a bunch of cubby holes to store your stuff, as well as a safe. A couple drawers. And the good thing is they finally put outlets and USBs right at the bed. It's taken forever for them to do this, but I'm glad to see it happen. And then you do have it on both sides of the bed, as you'll see here. I have a CPAP machine, and I used to have to run a cord across. Here's your other closet. A lot of hangers. Area to store your luggage if you want to, other than underneath the bed. So with the new rules with Royal Caribbean, you can't bring any plug strips in. So luckily this one has 3 outlets and 2 USBs. You have your hair dryer, as well as a couple other drawers for you to store your stuff. So plenty of storage on this ship. You have your cooler. They don't consider it a refrigerator. If you do need a refrigerator for medicine, your room store will provide you with one. And that desk will move to the couch if you wanted to do some business, like set up your laptop or whatever. This room here gives you a lot of extra space here in between the couch and the window. This bench right here is a nice, soft, cushy seat. There's a cool little switch that you hit to open and close your shutters. So you don't have to worry about that being bright when you're sleeping. It's you can dark out the whole room. That's the helicopter pad right there in front of you. It would have been a little cooler view or better view if you were a little higher, a couple floors up, the way you could see straight off the front down onto the water. But we enjoyed it. Keep in mind, if you are traveling with some family, this room gives you a lot of extra space with the design that it has. All in all, we enjoyed the room. Hopefully this room tour helped you. Please consider subscribing. I have a couple other room tours for different rooms on Utopia, so please check those out. Thank you very much.